Okay, we got the Eurmax 10x10 just arrived. Excited to set it up. It's about 40 degrees out here, so forgive me if I look a little bit cold, because I Okay, I am pretty impressed. This is the Eurmax 10x10. I am 6'4" tall, and this is, from what I can tell, the lowest point, and I've got about 2 inches above here. And it's only at its second point. I think it can even go higher. Yep, it's got another higher adjustment, but won't be needing that. We'll keep it at the middle one, because that is plenty tall. I can go all the way underneath here. Really like the design, the overall design. This is hook and loop all the way around the soft side, so pretty well made. Looks like easy to replace. I might even be able to 3D print replacement plastic here if needed, but this is all steel. It's very heavy, very magnetic, and very tall in the center. Pretty happy with this purchase. I think I paid $160 on Amazon. I really like these adjustments, these levers that make it super easy to lock on and raise and lower. And then I'm not worried about losing pens or anything. And then I did go ahead and strap this down. So yeah. That is my tent canopy. The plan for this is to use it at a farmer's market and sell my woodworking stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching.